Easy concepts. When my strength has failed me and I can carry on. When my gaze is weary and I can't stand on my own. Wano moya dikachi moya wenduge. Wano moya dikachi akaji wa. Have you seen what the strength of God can? He can lift a man that is down and out. Oh, what a might, my glowing treasure. The power of God, the power of God. He can change him more. Nanambe kaina mosa, babalu kaina. Power of God, power.
Designing, building and maintaining websites, advanced web development skills include creating like